how to gain revenue faster by using SAP Field Service Management in combination with SAP Business One. The customer is calling and has a problem with its equipment, the hydraulic press. In this case, Nadia, the dispatcher in the back office, receives the call and creates a service call in SAP Business One. By choosing the serial number, all information is filled in automatically. All that is needed is to enter the subject so that everyone knows what the service call is about. Afterwards, select the origin and, last but not least, the type of service call, which is in this case a repair. After adding the service call, we proceed to the next step. Now, in the planning board, the service call will be dispatched to the best matching technician, Malako. Also, some information is added so that the technician knows what he must do. When the information is complete, the job will be released to the technician so that he will be informed on his mobile device about his assignment. Malako, the technician, received the information when he synchronized his mobile app to make all data available offline on his device. He can find information, for example, what the service is about, and he can also see information about the hydraulic press and its location. Now Malako has reached the customer site and can start his work. This means that he will start the job on site by filling out the checklist. He is choosing the Phoenix One checklist and fills in various information. On the customer site, he has realized that an additional specialist is required. In this case, Christine Mueller is needed because she is a software specialist who has the necessary know-how. He directly creates a new activity, the so-called follow-up activity, for Christine the next day. He provides her some information so that she knows what to do the following day. After he creates the follow-up activity and finishes the work for today, Malako records the effort so that the back office also knows how long he has been working on site. While he is creating this effort, he selects the type of effort, adds some notes, in this case, what he did today, and gives the information that an additional activity would be required tomorrow. Furthermore, he informs the back office that the effort recorded today can already be invoiced. Now back to Nadia, the dispatcher. she has received the information that the job was executed today, so she validates the time in the material journal, where she can find the effort recorded by Mlako on his mobile device. She has a detailed view of this effort to see which notes Mlako has provided her, so she can track these notes and create the appropriate follow-up activity and invoice. In SAP Business One, she opens the service call and can directly define the effort recorded by Mlako. In this case, Mlako has recorded 9 hours of effort. She goes to the billing wizard of Course Suite Time and now invoices the effort from Mlako. In the planning board, it is now time to create the activity for Mlako for the next day. In this case, Nadia will duplicate an existing activity and modify the length of the activity so that it is fully suitable for tomorrow's date. She will release this activity for Mlako so that he can again receive the information he needs to be at the customer's site the next day. The next day, Mlako will resume its activity. After he has finished his work, he will create another effort. He records the last notes of what he did. In this case, he finished fixing the hydraulic press. And he also provides the information that he used 2 spare parts to fix the problem on site at the customer. At the very end of the execution of the work, he makes a checkout. At the checkout, Mlako informs the customer about the efforts and the material he used. He also captures the customer's signature directly on his mobile device. After everything is finalized and there was a nice handshake between the customer and the technician, Nadia, the dispatcher, receives the information about the completed job. In the workforce management, she can find the finished services, so she can select the job from Mlako and technically finish this job. Technically complete means that she is now able to invoice the service call in the back office so that the service call is automatically completed at the end and an invoice is created. Once everything is done, Nadia can review the automatically attached service report directly on the service call by opening the activity and viewing the PDF signed by the customer.